السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. ازيكم متابعيني وكل اخواتي؟ هاني في المغرب جيت عشان اقول لكم احلى تحية على كل اخواتنا واشقائنا وحبايبنا في المملكة المغربية. النهاردة عندنا فيديو مهم جدا حابب ان انا اوثقه لحضراتكم وان اقدمه لكم على طبق من ذهب، مش من فضة، طبق من ذهب الماظ حر لكل اخواتنا وحبايبنا اللي دايما بيتابعونا. حاجة كده ساحرة علشان خاطر عيونكم الجميلة اللي بتتابعنا وبتشوفنا. جبت لكم الفيديو بتاع النهاردة علشان تسمعوا معانا أحداث مهمة هنسمعها ونشوفها، شيقة ممتعة فعلا مثيرة للجدل على كل محركات البحث. هاني في المغرب بيبحث دائما عن المتاعب، بيبحث دائما عن إثارة الجدل، بيبحث دائما عن تقديم المحتوى اللي ينال إعجابكم. تفاصيل هنسمعها في فيديو النهاردة، ولكن تفضلا منكم وليس أمرا لو نعمل اللايك أو نشترك في القناة ونفعل الجرس وندوس على زرار الكل، ولو اتكرمتم علينا نكتب الرأي لأن رأيك مهم جدا. اللي جاي ضرب نار حي، ويلا مع بعض نسمع التفاصيل.
I'm not sure if it's just limited to first class, it could be for any class. Now that's not our train, I don't think, but that will be the same as what we're travelling on. So yeah, bi-level or double-decker if you like. I think 2 power cars, 8 cars in total off the top of my head. Seats about 500 people. Right, so we've just been shouted by a member of security or station staff. And I thought they were going to tell me to stop filming. They're actually just coming up to tell me that it is in fact that train. So they must have changed platforms. It was saying platform 8, now it's platform 7. Right, looks like everyone's starting to board. See if we can have a walk down the full length of the train to the front and have a nosy at that before we get on. Where is she? Somewhere there. There she is.
Here we are.
Now there you can see you've got the buffet car. Again, I believe due to it being Ramadan, I don't think it's open. Right, let's just go and have a quick nosy at the front of the train, seeing as we're so close. As I say, I believe they're the same units that they use in France as the TGV. Yeah. 200 mile per hour job is.
We're on the top.
We're on the top? We are. Seat 75.
Yes.
76, I assume.
You got one seat.
This one here, isn't it? 75 and 73. It's lovely, isn't it?
Very cute.
Look at it. Why aren't our trains like this back home?
Incredible.
Got charging points. Right, just noticed, literally only just sat down and got my rucksack off. We've got electrically reclining seats. Having fun with that. Nice big table. Yeah, plenty of leg room. Loads of leg room. Aircon's not blowing much at the minute, but I'm guessing that'll come on a bit stronger as we start going.
سادتي البراق يرحب بكم على متن القطار الفائق إلى القنيطرة. الرباط أجدال الدار البيضاء المسافة البراق. Vous souhaite la bienvenue à bord. Spotlessly clean in here. I don't know if this train's only just come into service, but it is absolutely spotless. One of the cleanest toilets I've seen on any train ever. I believe this is the cafeteria, but I don't think it's open, or is it? No, closed. Oh, space up. Yeah, so it's pretty warm on here.
because I'm constantly wanting to get up and jump about, filming out of every single different side of the train.
ويتمنى استقبالكم.
16:35, platform 6. Right, so that's us arrived at Casa Voyageur.
Casablanca. Lady is here.
Station. And yeah, we've got about 15 minutes before our train departs, and from what we can see, it's platform 6. So we're going to go and try and find our train. We've not got that much time, so yeah, right, let's go. Very busy. No, very busy in here, isn't it?
Right.
Very busy.
She's everywhere in America.
Yeah. Busy country. Six. All right, lovely. That's
Thank
same
you.
as well. Thank you. Platform 6. Just admit, so far, I don't want to tempt fate, but so far, impressed. In punctuality. We left bang on time, didn't we?
Bang on.
I think we were 5 minutes late into here. Yeah, so what we were saying, got distracted by the train and the waving driver. Yeah, punctuality, fantastic. Bang on time out of
Bang on to
Tangier.
Yeah.
5 minutes late into here, but still fine.
Yeah.
So we'll see what happens with this one. Like I say, I hope we've not just tempted fate. Seat 15, is that one there? Coach 11. Right, bit of confusion with the seats. I'm in 15. It says we've got 15 and 16. Now this is 15 on its own. 16's there. So low sat in 11. So we've no idea. We're going to have to ask when they come round to check the tickets. I can't lift this blind up to film either. Quite often the case of something that we've found when we travel around Europe, when you get onto these regional trains, the seats.
اهلا بيكم مرة تانية كل اخواتنا وحبايبنا واشقائنا اللي بنحبهم وبنسعد جدا بتقديم محتوى ليهم. شكرا على كل كلامكم الجميل، شكرا لكل حد دعمنا باللايك، اشترك في القناة، فعل الجرس، داس على زرار الكل، لان ده مهم جدا انه يعمل مشاركة لكل اخواتنا وكتب رأيه، لان فعلا اللي جاي ضرب نار حي. واشكركم جدا، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.